Rejection. What an awful way to say you are meaningless to me, that you don't matter to me. Rejection. What a poetic word. How melodic is your pronunciation, yet pain and suffering lie in your melodic words. In dire straits, I sought for you, friend, but you denied me. You looked down on me in a way that says, how can I relate to a filthy person like you? That, my friend, hurt like hell. While recalling how good I'd been towards you, tons of messages I sent you, so many times, yet I haven't got your response. Rejection. Because of you, my confidence is gone. Each time I was denied, each day I got mocked. Time and again, feeling all alone. My self-esteem was slowly fading away, leaving me helpless, feeling like the whole world has turned against me. That's how you make me feel. Rejection. Family, had I called you to be? Friends, had I imagined you to be? A colleague, had I thought you to be? Not knowing you would turn your back on me in times of need. You became a rejecter, a hater. Crazy, I would have called anyone saying you'd be a hater. But I know better now that the world is full of haters, that success changes people. They become haters and rejectors. For rejection rules the heart of a hypocrite. How so my heart aches, for you rejected me, for you showed me your true colors. That rejection runs in your veins, that you are not worthy to be trusted. That power of success and money turned you into a rejecter. Oh, my friend, stay with your rejection, for my life journey is still long enough ahead of me. For you denied me and rejected me.